Hello students, hope you are doing well and fine. So today we are going to start the next chapter, that is chapter 10, mensuration. Okay, so this chapter is very important. So first thing, it's an introduction section, so I will tell you what are the topics which we are going to cover in this chapter. Okay, what you have to study in this chapter. So the first topic is about perimeter of rectangle and square. Okay, so in this chapter there are certain formulas that you have to keep it in your mind while solving the questions. Okay, so first topic is perimeter, and we have to cover perimeter of rectangle and square. Okay, the next topic is area of regular and irregular shapes. So regular shapes means whose all measurement are equal. Okay, they are called regular shapes. And irregular shapes means whose measurement, all sides, the measurements are not equal. For example, suppose, okay, this is five-sided shape, and same this kind of shape we can draw like this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this small figure whose all sides are equal, they are called regular shape. And here if you see this figure, these two lines are very long. Okay, these two are short and these two are short. This is irregular kind of figure. Okay, so these are the topics, few topics which we have to cover. Then we will come to the area of rectangle and square. Okay, area of rectangle and square, that I will tell you separately, and perimeter of rectangle and square also I will tell you separately. So these are the topics which we are going to cover in this chapter. Okay, so we will start with the first thing, that is perimeter of rectangle and square. Okay, just go through it. Okay, so let's start with the perimeter of rectangle. So we will, I'll just tell you about perimeter of rectangle and square separately. So come to the definition, what is perimeter? So perimeter is the distance around a closed plane figure, means this total distance. Okay, this is the rectangle. Okay, so this is the length. We are having opposite sides are equal in rectangle. So this is length and these two are breadth. So perimeter means, suppose you are starting from this point. Okay, this point is A to B, and from B to C, then C to D, again D to A. Okay, this is called the perimeter. Okay, the total distance of a particular figure. Okay, so perimeter of rectangle, there is a formula for the perimeter of rectangle, that is 2 into length plus breadth. This formula you have to by heart it, keep it in your mind. Okay, so in short you can write it 2 into L plus B. L stands for length, B stands for breadth. If the question is to find the length, what you have to do is half of P means perimeter, half of perimeter minus breadth. If you have to find breadth, in this we have to find the length. Okay, for finding breadth, half into P minus length. Okay, now the question arises, how we know that the question is to find the perimeter. Okay, in perimeter, in questions, in perimeter type of questions, this few words, around, surround, all around, fencing, 2 rounds, 3 rounds, 4 rounds. Okay, one man is running around a rectangular garden or rectangular park, whatever, or he is taking 2 rounds. Okay, this type of words will be given in the question. Okay, if you face such kind of words in the question, so there we have to find the perimeter. Okay, around, surround, 2 rounds, 3 rounds, 4 rounds, whatever, all around, fencing, fenced. Okay, so these are the terms if you see in the questions, then you have to find the perimeter. Okay, so this is all about perimeter. Now we have to find the next topic. Perimeter of rectangle we already completed. Then we will come to the perimeter of square. Okay, just go through it. Okay, now come to the perimeter of square. The formula is very easy. 4 into side. Okay, so this is the square. A square is having how many sides? 4 equal sides, right? Suppose if you have to find the perimeter, so the formula is 4 into side. Suppose the side is given. For example, side is given 5 meter. Okay, you have to find the perimeter of this side. So 4 into 5, that is 20 meter. Okay, so this is all about perimeter of square. Okay, next topic we are going to start the area of rectangle and area of square. Okay, till just go through it. Okay, now come to the next topic, that is area. So first just go through the definition. Area is a space occupied by a closed plane figure. Space occupied by a plane figure means some space. Okay, that comes under the area. So we are having area of rectangle. Area of rectangle, the formula is length into breadth, or A is equal to L into B. This is a short form, L into B into, okay, don't write plus there. L into B is a formula for finding the area of rectangle. If the question is to find length is equal to area upon base. If the question is to find breadth, area upon length. Okay. Now come to the next, area of square. Area of square is very easy, side into side, or you can write it as side square. Okay. So it's better you just go for this one, side into side. Okay. This is all about perimeter and area of rectangle and square. Okay, hope it is clear to you. Just go through it.